Hi y'all, it's Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack, and we're back here today with another awesome video. So let's get to the craft desk and get started. Let's go. Here we go with DIY number 1. Today we're going to be making some table diaper cakes for a baby shower. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these diapers and I'm going to start rolling them up. And it doesn't matter which direction on this particular style that we're making. We're just going to continue taking our diapers and rolling them up. And we're going to do this until, now if you have trouble holding them, get you some rubber bands and go ahead and put them on there. Now, I think I'm putting about 7 diapers in this process of going around this. Now, this is not going to be enough, so I'm going to roll it up some more, but I put those rubber bands there so I didn't have to try to hold it while trying to get these extra ones on here. And you're just going to keep rolling it up, and then you're going to put some more rubber bands on there. And you're going to keep doing this until you get the desire that you want. Now, these are so that you can put them out for table decorations at a baby shower. And oh my gosh, these turned out so cute. And then at the end of it, the baby shower, you give them to the mother-to-be. Now, I am taking some of these bibs that are triangle shape, and I am going to put them around this. Now, they're not quite long enough, so I'm going to take some of these safety pins that I got from Temu, and I am going to pin this instead of trying to snap it on around this. So I'm just going to take and make sure that everything's in place. I'm not going to go through the diapers because I want the diapers to be usable. Now, these are size 4 diapers, so that when the mother, if she wants to keep these decorated up for a while in the baby's room, she can, as a decoration. And then we're making one for a boy and one for a girl. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this other little bib and that little hair bow out of this package. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to take and put it on the opposite way and pin it in the back. Now this one fits around here and it's a little snug, but I'm going to get it on there. I think I am. I'm going to try. Yep, just barely got it. This one was a little bit snug to snap on there, but once I got it, it was just fine. And then I pulled the rest of this down because it kind of puckered that other one. But this turned out absolutely adorable. And I'm going to take this and stick the pointed edge of it down inside of here. And this gives the mother some diapers and a little bib. And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take and add our little hair bows on there. So I've got the one that matches. I'm sorry my camera keeps going out of focus. I'm not sure what it's trying to focus on, or if it's just my glasses. Might just be my glasses. If it's messed up, I'm sorry, you guys. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of another one of these little hair bows and I'm going to turn it around the opposite way, and I'm going to add this on here and pull it down. And this will give, this one's for a little girl, and this will give the mother 2 bibs and 2 matching hair bows that she can use, and a diaper pin. And then we're going to take the little bear and we are going to attach this to the, we're going to go through the bib and through the back of the bear and pin it so that it stands up and holds the little bear sitting up straight. And this turned out absolutely adorable. I love it. And if I had a baby shower to go to, this is what I'd be taking. And these are little table things, and I was trying to see if I could use another little hair bow on it, but I can't. But I need the little bear to be sitting up a little bit straighter. So I'm going to take some ribbon, and then I end up not using this ribbon. I ended up using this tooling here that is some that I had picked up at the thrift store, and I'm going to use it to go around here. I'm going to take these little headbands back off, and I'm going to take the tooling and I'm going to go over the little bear's lap and come back up and around, and I'm going to twist it down at the bottom and go under and come back up, and then I'm going to pull off enough so that I have room to tie with and make a little bow.
and we're going to make a little bow, and then it's just a regular shoestring bow. You want to make sure you hold it tight. And once I do that, then the little bear is kind of snug on here and it stays nice and tight. And this turned out so cute. So cute. So I'm going to straighten out my little bow here. And then I'm going to make another little bow. And you kind of have to be careful when you pull this bow because it wants to pull your second bow. So you should tie a knot there first and then make your second bow. And I'm going to just fluff it out and trim the ends off. And then I'm going to put my little headbands back on. Now here we go. We're putting our little headbands back on and getting them all snug up on here and making it absolutely adorable. And then we'll see this one at the final reveal. Now here we go with DIY number 2. Now this one is going to be for a little boy, and I start out rolling my diapers this way and then realize that those little ends are going to be sticking out, and I didn't like the way that was going to look. So I went back and changed that, and I'm going to take this rubber band back off of here, and we are going to roll it up the other way because you do not, the way we're making this little boy one for the table is a table one as well. You want to roll it the other opposite way. And this is a good way of incorporating things for the mother-to-be so that, and they can sit on the table as table decorations, and they're not very big. And you can use 1 box of diapers to make these. And these are size 4 diapers, and then some other little baby items you pick up. And it just makes a cute little table gift. And I don't know who all is dinging me on the messages. But anyway, we're going to roll up 5 of these little diapers this way and put a rubber band around each one of them. Then we're going to group them around in the set of 5. And I've got to figure out how I'm going to get them all and get my hands around them and get the rubber band at the same time. But I figure it out. Yep, and I'm going to take my little bear this time, and I'm going to stick him down inside of it. Now what I'm doing is I'm making sure all my little ends are tucked in and that the outside edge of the diapers is what's showing. And then I'm going to kind of adjust everything and turn any of those diapers around that need to be turned around and get their little bear stuff down in there. And then we're going to add some more rubber bands to keep this snug together in case somebody picks it up while it's on the table. And I use about 3 rubber bands all the way through this. And I'm making sure my little bear is all the way down in there. I reach in there and pull him down from the bottom side of pulling back through. Now I'm going to take 2 of these little bibs that are in the blue, and I am going to try to snap them on here, but it's too big, so I'm going to pin this one, and then they'll get some diaper pins, and they'll end up having 2 bibs with this, a little bear, 5 diapers, and I think it's 2 diaper pins, and then some other little extra items we're going to add in. So we're going to take and stuff that end down inside the bottom, just like we did before. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our other little bib that is light blue, and we're going to go in the opposite direction. And I'm just adjusting my pen here and making sure everything's where it needs to be before I put this other one on there, because it's kind of going to overlap it. And so I'm making sure everything's in there the way I want it to be. I fold that bib in half right here. And then I'm going to go around to the front side right there. And then I'm going to snap those 2 snaps on. And then that one fits on there just right. But I'm going to go ahead and add the little scissors in here and a little comb on the other side. And then I'm going to take and do something. Yep, I sure am. I'm looking at these little nail clippers, whether to put them on there, if I can use the little, and I didn't like it, so I took it off. So I'm going to just attach that little pin to the front of it, but I'm making sure I don't go through the diaper again. If you go through the diaper with that pin, that diaper's going to leak on that mama, and that ain't going to be such a fun thing. No, it's not. So be nice to her and don't do that. So I'm taking the 2 little pieces of tooling that I had left over from the little girl one that I made, and I'm tying them together because it had 2 ends, and with a little boy we don't need to be too frilly. So we're just going to go around the back side and come around the front side, and we're going to make a little shoestring bow here, and then we'll see the rest of this one at the final reveal. Now at this time we'd like to thank all of our subscribers. We love you bunches, and you are so special to us. Thank you for subscribing, and here we go with the final reveal. Most of y'all know Beth and I opened the Chic Shack over at Avonlea Mall. It's at 8101 Phillips Highway. I believe that's the address. And we've also started carrying a full line of Dixie Belle paints. We have both the chalk mineral paint, the full line, and we have the full line of the silk paints as well. So if you're in need of some paints, come check us out. We're usually there on Mondays, and we'd love to see you. Stop by and check in with us. We'll see you later.
Turn out awesome. So you guys, if you like this content, subscribe. Hit that notification bell and give us that big thumbs up because it really helps our channel out. And we'll see you in the next episode of the Crafty Art Shack. We'll see you later. Bye.